welcome to the Brookhurst Plaza Inn. Hola, bienvenido al Brookhurst Plaza Inn. The Brookhurst Plaza Inn is located at 711 South Brookhurst Street, 1.5 miles from Disneyland. I am your hotel manager. My name is Mike. As reported on last week's show, Disneyland has announced that it's reopening on July 17th. But some park employees, or cast members as Disney calls them, aren't so hot on this idea. Despite the precautions announced over the past few weeks, Disney's plans to reopen has been met with a chorus of opposition. Last week, a dozen unions representing about 17,000 Disneyland employees wrote a letter to Governor Gavin Newsom, writing that, unfortunately, despite intensive talks with the company, we are not yet convinced that it is safe to reopen the parks on Disney's rapid timetable. All of this comes hot off the heels of a petition on change.org that has been signed by more than 40,000 park employees, their family members, and annual pass holders, calling for Disney to postpone the reopening of the park until infection rates drop. Why was I running? Where am I? Disney defended its plan to reopen the theme park, saying that the well-being of our cast members and guests are at the forefront of our planning. Well, it looks like everyone has had their say regarding Disneyland's reopening. COVID-19, meanwhile, is just happy to keep its head down and infect as many people as it can. And that's exactly what it's doing, as infection rates continue to rise all across the US. Like, does anybody remember that movie that came out a couple of years ago about that ship and the Somali pirates, starring Tom Hanks? Well, if the COVID-19 virus could talk right now, I'm pretty sure it would say, "I'm the captain now." Well, that's the show for this week, everybody. Some of you sharp-eyed viewers out there might have noticed that I started this week's show with a bit of a Spanish flair. Hola, bienvenido al Brookhurst Plaza Inn. Well, since Orange County is 50% Hispanic, I've started taking Spanish lessons. And to close out this week's show, I'd like to show off a little bit of what I've learned so far. Juan, ¿lee libros, no? No comí una manzana. ¿Dónde está el cuarto de baño? Perdona, ¿dónde hay un hotel? The Brookhurst Plaza Inn is located at 711 South Brookhurst Street. Muchas gracias. De nada.